Guys, I'm here to make my aloe vera oil for the first time because I'm trying to grow out my hair. I already have the aloe veras pre-cut, and I also use coconut oil extra virgin. So you see me here adding the oil into the pan to make it hot, and then I'm gonna add the coconut oil onto the hot pot with olive oil in there. And in this clip you're gonna see me cut the aloe vera in very small pieces, very thin, so that it can get all the nutrients faster, quicker, so you don't have to wait for it for a long time. Now I'm gonna add the aloe vera in the pot. It was steaming hot. It was, making the little saucy sounds. Felt good. So I'm gonna add that and let it sit for about 10 minutes and take it out. Basically, just keep on watching. I put the cover on top of it, but I ended up taking it out because I didn't want water to fall in it. And right here in this clip, this is me after I put it in the stringer so the oil can come out. And then you're gonna see me here put it in 3 containers, one for me, one for my boyfriend, one for my brother, because we were trying to grow our hair together. I'm putting my whole family onto this, with the aloe vera oil and the aloe vera leave-in conditioner. This is really good, so if you want to do this yourself or you and your family, go ahead. Thanks for watching, guys. Just keep on watching to see what I do after the end.
30 hertz straight up.
This is it, you guys. This is how I make my homemade aloe vera for extra growth, hair growth. Bye, guys.